Check. It's like that. So what happened? It's been since when?
Only since this morning.
What happened your leg?
It's paining when I wake up.
Okay, tonight we will try. Ya. Ada panggilan jiwa. Ya. Panggilan jiwa. Lo, panggilan jiwa. What happened, Kuya? What happened? What happened there?
Injured.
Injured? Oh, what? Who's the one doing that one? What you do?
I put only
Ice?
cold water.
Cold water?
Yeah.
What happened?
Gout.
Gout. Panggilan jiwa ini.
I go to the medical, no, and
Huh?
they told me to come back tomorrow morning at 8. But they just give me a
Medicine?
just pain reliever.
But me, pain remover.
Pain remover.
Yeah. For me, pain remover. We will try our best. Okay, let's go. Attack. Okay, you ready?
Oh,
This part is the one that you.
yeah.
This one. See. First, 1, 2. See, muscle-nya gerak. Besar. It's okay. You will feel much better after a while. Okay, come. Feel nice now? You feel better?
Yeah.
I told you already. I told you. No? Ini dadakan pasiennya emang bener-bener sakit, bukan pegel-pegelino ini. Tuh. Panalo? Panakalo. Do you have this one spoon? Spoon what?
Yeah, there's.
Where?
We have
Can you give me spoon?
from the plastic or the aluminium.
Aluminium or metal, ini metal. Itu enggak apa-apa itu, Pak. Kita serahin. Ready?
Ready.
No, because this is the pen. Which one? The pen, the part. Are there? Okay. This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, just a little bit. Just try. What do you feel?
A little bit better.
Little bit better? So you need more better.
Well, better.
Okay, let's attack. Attack, guys.
Tak.
Okay, stop dah, bawa matiin. Albert, can you stand up and then walk? What do you feel now?
It's well better, huh?
Better?
I can walk straight now, huh?
You can walk straight. It was what? You cannot straight. It's
I
like
cannot straight. I walk early like this. No?
yeah, I saw. That's why I had early video when you wearing the uniform.
Now,
But now how you feel?
it's good.
Okay.
Well better, huh?
Okay, good.
You, Mr. Rawan.